Alright, so the problem is when you close the door, the light is still on and the microwave is not working. That's because this latch, when it goes here, it doesn't lock properly. And your microwave is not sensing that the door is closed. The latch, where the spring is attached, this plastic holder, it breaks. And that's why your latch loses the spring ability. So you could obviously buy this. I think it's like $6 for GE models. A quick fix is to make a small drill hole and reattach the spring. I tried doing it sideways, but it's too thick, so I did an angle. So how do you take this off? You need a putty knife, and you basically pry off this black cover. So pry from the bottom, pry from the side, pry from the side, pry from the bottom. Make sure you do it slowly and carefully so you don't break these clips off. Once you pry this off, which goes around here, you just take a putty knife and pry it off. Once you pry it off, you will see the latch over here. You have to pry off the latch, pull it up, pry it out. Once you pry it out, you will see the spring. Get a drill with the smallest drill bit you have. Make a hole. Try to see how it will work. I could have done it sideways. I did one sideways, but that was too thick, so I did one angle, and that works fine. So you take the spring, put it in the new hole that you made. You attach the spring back there. You attach the latch back. Alright, so you gotta play around with it a little bit. Make sure you tuck it in. The spring is behind the latch, and then make sure the hooks on the latch goes inside, up and then down. Once you do it, it's nice. Just give it a try. The lock's nice. Take it out. Once you do this, reattach your cover, door cover. Okay. Okay, that's it. And that's it. So it's working.